Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable option Enhance Pointer Precision in Windows 10. So if you want to turn it on, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and then you need to go to Settings. Here you need to go to Devices, Bluetooth, Printers and Mouse Settings, and then we need to go to the left panel and open here Mouse Settings. Now we need to move our cursor to the right side and we need to open additional mouse options. Then mouse properties will be displayed here. We are interested in to go to pointer options because here we can find option that we were looking for. Of course, I'm talking about Enhanced Pointer Precision option. How you see, it is actually unchecked, so we need to check this option and then we need to click Apply button to turn on this option. Okay, so how you see, it has been successfully enabled. So now we can click OK button, and it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.